Nowadays, people forget about the harm that just one cup thrown out of the trash does, and several companies have decided to raise the importance of such issue on new level. The sporting goods company Adidas and the environmental organization Parley for the Oceans have jointly created a tennis court made of recycled plastic, which is located in the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park of Australia. And if you want to know more about it, just stay with us. Sit down and make yourself some tea. This is an AZ guide. The court was created to promote the latest Adidas clothing line, which includes recycled plastic. The colorful clothing range is the latest collaboration between the brand and Parley for the Oceans. The new Adidas tennis clothing collection that players will wear during the Australian Open in Melbourne was inspired by the beauty of the Great Barrier Reef and consists of products from one of our innovators in the field of sustainable development, made of plastic. Parley Ocean, said a representative of Adidas. We decided to launch this collection at the heritage-protected Queensland Marine Park to raise awareness and positively discuss how we can help end plastic waste and protect the Great Barrier Reef. The court surface was made from recycled plastic provided by Parley for the Oceans, which also provides recycled plastic used in the latest Adidas tennis collection. And what is more important, Adidas stated that all the balls were recovered from the water. All in all, after the Australian Open, the surface of the tennis court will be redesigned into a sports field, which is planned to be built at a school in the neighboring Townsville. According to Adidas, his latest tennis collection is part of his quest to remove plastic from clothing. Well, Cyril Gutch, founder of Parley for the Oceans, hopes that the uniqueness of the floating tennis court will draw attention to the problem of plastic pollution of the world's oceans. Plastic has created an environmental crisis that affects all life, including ours, said Cyril Gutch, founder of Parley for the Oceans. By doing this in a positive and visual way, we are helping us reconnect with the most important mission that is so deeply programmed in our genes: our own survival. And we need to put an end to the destruction of our oceans because we need them to live on this blue planet.